गला बाटे आम पढ़ी पिला लेंचो had said to his son, "This year we will have no corn." In this part, we discuss the night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. So that night was sorrowful one. That means that night was painful for Lencho. ରାତିଟା ତା ପାଇଁ ଦୁଃଖଦପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଥିଲା। ଅଲ୍ ଆୱାର ସେ କହୁଛି ଅଲ୍ ଆୱାର ୱାର୍କ ଫର୍ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ହାର୍ଡ଼ ୱାର୍କିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଲେଞ୍ଚୋ ୱାଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ଭେନ୍। ଯେଉଁ କଠିନ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିଥିଲା ସେଟା ସବୁ ବୃଥା ହେଇଗଲା। ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ନୋ ୱାନ୍ ହୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅସ୍। He also said, anybody will not help us. ତାକୁ କେହି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ ନାହିଁ। We will all go hungry this year. He also said, repeated to his son, this year we will be hungry. ଏ ବର୍ଷ ଆମେ ଭୋକିଲା ରହିବା। Because the hailstone destroyed all the crops. ଯେହେତୁ କୁଆପଥର ସମସ୍ତ ଫସଲକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛି ଆମେ ବର୍ଷ ଭୋକିଲା ରହିବା। But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope of help from God. In this solitary cottage, which is situated on the top of the hill, all the members had a hope, single hope, that God helped them. ଏହି ପରିବାରରେ ଯେତେ ଲୋକ ବାସ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଆଶା ଥିଲା ଭଗବାନ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ। Don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no wild dies of hunger. The Lencho explained his family, give condolence that don't be upset. कहीं विचलित हो नहीं। No one will die of hunger. कहीं खाइबा बिना मरिबे नहीं। That is what they say, no one dies of hunger. ଯେ ଭୋକରେ କେହି ଲୋକ ମରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ସେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଦେଲା। All through the night, Lencho thought only of one hope. Whole of the night, Lencho thinking about that hope. ରାତି ତମାମ ଲେଞ୍ଚୋ ଭାବୁଥାଏ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. ସେ ରାତି ସାରା ଭାବୁଥାଏ, ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଥାଏ, God has only eyes who can see everything, and Lencho had a deep conscience upon the God has the only conscience. ସେ ଲେଞ୍ଚୋ ମନେ ମନେ ଭାବୁଥାଏ ଯେ ଭଗବାନ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି, ଭଗବାନ କେବଳ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ବିବେକ ଅଛି। ହି ମଷ୍ଟ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅସ୍, ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଆମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ। Lencho was an ox of a man, working like an animal in the fields. Like a farmer, Lencho was a hard worker as an ox, as an animal. Lencho ଗୋଟେ ବଳଦ ଭଳି, ଗୋଟେ ପଶୁ ଭଳି ତା ଜମିରେ କାମ କରେ। But still he knew how to write. Tathapi, he had idea how to write. He had not illiterate. He had idea to write. किमित लेखा पढ़ा जाना जाए तब The following Sunday at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. The following Sunday at the outbreak, कौची रविवार कथा at the outbreak मैंने दिन खोली जाइए से गोटे चिठी लिखी रविवार which himself would carry to town जोटा से नब कौटिकी सहर को नब आ कौन कर ना मेल डाकर पठेब इट वाज नथिंग लेस देन ए लेटर टू गॉड एटा अन्य किसी नुहे ठाकुर भगवान गोटे चिठी गॉड ही रोट इफ यू डू नॉट हेल्प मी माई फैमिली एंड आई विल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर आई नीड 100 pieces of pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crops comes because the hailstone. In his letter, he wrote to God, please God help me 100 pesos rupees in order to sow my fields and live until the crop comes, which crops destroyed by the hailstorm. ସେ ତା ଚିଠିରେ ଲେଖିଛି ହେ ପ୍ରଭୁ ମୋତେ 100 pesos ଦିଅ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ମୁଁ ମୋର ମଞ୍ଜି ବୁଣିବି ଏବଂ ମୋ ପରିବାରକୁ ପ୍ରତିପାଳିତ କରିବି ଯେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପୁନର୍ବାର ଶସ୍ୟ ପାଇଲା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ ଶସ୍ୟ କୁଆପଥର ନଷ୍ଟ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି He wrote to God on the envelope out of the letter inside it लफाफा ଉପରେ ସେ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ କଲା ଟୁ ଗଡ଼ଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ସେ ଟିକେ ଖୋଳ ଭିତରେ ପୁରେଇଲା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ୍ଡ ୱାନ୍ ଟୁ ଟାଉନ୍ ତାପରେ ଟାଉନ୍ ଗଲା ଆଟ୍ ଦ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ୍ ଡାକ ଯାଇ ପହଞ୍ଚି ହି ପ୍ଲେସ୍ଡ ଏ ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଲେଟର ତାପରେ ଏନଭଲପ ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟିକଟ ବସେଇଲା ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରପ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ମେଲ୍ ବକ୍ସ ଡାକଘରେ ଦେଖିଥିବ ଗୋଟେ ମେଲ୍ ବକ୍ସ ଥୁଆ ହେଇଥାଏ ଡାକ ବାକ୍ସ ତା ଦେହରେ ପକେଇଲା ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟିଜ୍ who was a postman and also helped at the post office. ଡାକଘର ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ କର୍ମଚାରୀ ଯିଏକି ପୋଷ୍ଟମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲା ଡାକଘରେ went to his booth laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. She went to his boss laughing heartily. से पोस्ट ऑफिसर पोस्टमैन जनक कर्मचारी जनक ता बॉस तार जो अपर ऑफिसर पाखु गला हसी हसिकी हृदयतार सहित आ चिठा देखला दे लिखा है चिठा लेटर टू गॉड भगवान पाखु नेवर इन हिज कैरियर एज ए पोस्टमैन पोस्टमैन डाक बंटाणी तार जो चाकरी काल पीरियड भितर हाड ही नोन दैट एड्रेस सेमितिका एड्रेस ठिकाना केबे लेखा हबार चिठी से देखी नथिला द पोस्टमास्टर ए फैट आमिएबल फेलो ऑल्सो ब्रोक आउट लाफिंग पोस्टमास्टर मध्य सी भी जन भद्रलोक सी भी यही चिठी खोल हसिले बट ऑलमोस्ट इमिडिएटली he turned serious and tapping the letter किंतु सागे सागे कौन कले चिठा को लफाफर काढ़ी seriously tapping the letter on his desk and commented what faith तापर से कमेंट मैं वक्तव्य देले दे व्हाट फेथ कि विश्वास आई विश आई हैड द फेथ ऑफ द मैन हु रोड द लेटर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ ए कॉरेस्पोंडेंस विथ गॉड ताने मनीष मानकर एमती मनीष अच्छा जार भी भगवान को ऊपर विश्वास अच्छी सी भी चाहूँगी भगवान को सहित जोगाजोग करने।